everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a 24-hour transformation. I got a new job. So since all this stuff started, I haven't been working since March and it's now June. So it's really stressful. Unfortunately, my jobs were kind of non-essential. So I went and got myself an essential job. I got a job at the hospital. So, yeah, I feel like I need a major glow up before I walk up in there. Can't everybody see me looking crusty and disgusting? So I'm going to give myself a whole makeover. I'm going to do tanning, facial, hair, all of it. So just stick with me for this ride. But before we get started, hit that subscribe notification and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let's go get started on this face. First things first, we are going to cleanse my face. So I got this KYLIE skincare in my BOXY charm, so I'm going to be using this. Next, I'm going to be using this lip exfoliator. It's got avocado, apricot, jojoba oils, shea, and cocoa butter in it. So it's really, really, really good for your lips. Gets them nice and smooth. And it smells delicious. And now I'm going to be doing a clean sweep just to make sure that I got all of my makeup off of my face. I would use a cotton pad, but I don't have any, so toilet paper is gonna just have to work. So there was like some makeup left over after I washed my face. And now I'm gonna be doing a little mask. I got this from my BOXY charm. It is Glam Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. It smells really, really, really good. It feels good. It leaves you nice and moisturized. Okay, so I am fresh out of the shower. I feel so rejuvenated. Before I get started on my sunless tanner, I am going to enjoy a little drink. I love to drink this because I feel like it boosts your immune system. It's really good for your body, your metabolism. It has so many great health benefits, these ingredients. So what it is apple cider vinegar. I get organic with the mother, some water. I use organic turmeric, honey, I have fresh ginger, and I have lemon. What I do is I put it in a mason jar and just shake it up really good, and then I just drink this, and it makes you feel so good. Like, it helps with bloating, it helps with your skin, it helps with everything. So definitely recommend that you try this if you've never done this. And one more ingredient that I forgot to mention was mint. I put fresh mint in there also. So the mint and the honey with the lemon kind of cancels out the strength of the turmeric and the apple cider vinegar. So it actually kind of tastes like just like a stronger lemonade to me. I don't think that it's gross. But anyways, I'm going to go dry my hair and then I'm going to get started on this sunless tan. I'm using the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Tanning Foam. I put that on with this little mitt. And what you want to do before you do a sunless tanner is always exfoliate. If you don't have an exfoliator, just put sugar in your body wash. But just make sure that whatever you're using has no oil, because that will block your tan from being able to fully develop. It never fails. Every time I tan myself, I somehow get something splashed on it. Normally, I do prefer a spray tan over like the sunless stuff, but I did want to just do like a little show off of the Bondi Sands in this video. But normally I would do a spray tan because the coverage is so much more flawless and it looks more natural. I love the color of the stuff that I use. Always exfoliate before your spray tans, so you get the best even coverage. And then you can always put a little bit of lotion on your hands and your feet. I do the tops and the bottoms in my toenails and fingernails because I think that it looks better if those areas are slightly a bit lighter than the rest of your body. Because have you ever seen somebody's feet and they're so tan, or their hands, it's like it like cakes the tanner on those areas, especially these little areas right here. You can see it, and that's like a dead giveaway. Like, you've got a fake tan on and it looks awful. So this is the tan after it is washed off. It says that it's ultra dark, which is the darkest shade that they have. I personally don't feel like it is really that dark, but I get really brown from the sun, but I haven't been in the sun at all, so. But yeah, it's good because the color is more of a brown tone versus orange, so that's good. And there's no weird stuff on my hands. It's not like caked up or anything because I put lotion on my feet and my hands before I use a sunless tanner, so that helps with those areas. And I don't really put a whole bunch on my face because it makes me look muddy and dirty, so I put very little on my face, but I wear makeup, so that fixes that problem. My Boxy charm came, and these are some of the items that I got. As I used before, the KYLIE Skin Face Cleanser. It's not bad. It does make you feel like pretty much squeaky clean, so if you like that feeling, that's what it does. But it's a foam, so that's what foams tend to do. I got an eye, lip, and cheek palette. So it is cream to powder. I think I'm going to use that when I do my makeup. I got a mascara, XXX mascara from Lily Lashes. So I'm definitely going to try that because I love trying new mascaras. And I got a lip and lip liner, a high gloss and a lip liner from Cab. So the lady from Desperate Housewives from Atlanta. Apparently her and her daughters have a makeup line. And then I got a exfoliator also. Then I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealer. This is the LA Girl. And I'm not gonna go like all out with my makeup today. I'm just gonna keep it kind of quick. I'm not gonna go heavy with the contour and all that. And this is also LA Girl, just a little darker color. I'm just using a powder. I switch between a powder and a pencil. I used to use the pomade, but I felt like the pomade was pulling my eyebrows out, so I stopped using that. Now moving on to just a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Now I'm going to move on to some lashes. Got my lashes on. I don't want to film that because I feel like that's really boring to watch. These are the Kiss Blowout. These are in the style Page Boy. Not my favorite, but I've been having the worst time trying to find lashes that I like lately. I don't know what's going on. I love Kiss. And Chignon, I think is what it's called. It's like one of my favorite styles, but I can't find them anywhere. So I don't know, I've been to like so many stores trying to get me some of those and I can't find them, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, so next I'm going to try this eye, lip, and cheek cream to powder. I'm gonna see how this goes. I use this pink color. Looks pretty. We'll see how that goes on the cheeks. Not bad. This mascara that I got from Lily Lashes. Let's try this out and see how this goes. Let's do some highlight. This is the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then sometimes I'll go on with another highlighter. So this is the NYX. So that way when I'm like moving my face and stuff, you'll get like different tones and all of that goodness. I love it. So this one is the Chromatic Illuminating Powder. And I dropped it and it's all busted, but I still use it. Now let's try out this cab. I'm saying that right. It is Kim from Desperate Housewives, I guess, and her two daughters. Their little lip duo that I got in my BOXY charm. So I'm gonna try that out and see what this looks like. I'm liking the way that this lip liner is going on. It's really smooth, so that's a good thing. It feels nice and smooth. Buttery and smooth right now. Oh my goodness. Wow. So that's the lip color. What do you guys think of this? Do you like it? This is Charming is what it's called. This is what we got going on so far. I'm going to do my hair now because it needs attention. Here you have it, the final look. The transformation is complete, 24 hours. You see this? I changed it all. You watched how easy that was? Guys, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. See you guys. Bye.